In this video, I'll show you how to configure the default log and track settings in Hubspot. To get started, head over to your settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper corner. Once you click it, you'll see all the available settings. From here, proceed to the marketing options or select the email option from the General tab. Once you're inside, you'll see your email settings. In this case, go to Deliverability and then locate the tracking and logging options. From here, you can enable or disable these settings based on your preferences. To make things easier, you can also use the search bar instead of navigating through multiple options. Simply search for the tracking option related to email. Here, you'll be able to turn tracking on or off and manage options such as tracked clicks, source tracking, identity tracking, and more. Adjust these settings as needed and save your changes. That's all for this video. I hope this helped you understand how to configure default log and track settings in Hubspot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.